Welcome back to Dream Autos, where today we dive into one of the most iconic names in American performance, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro 1LE. This latest iteration of the Camaro continues to uphold the tradition of aggressive styling, track-focused engineering, and a driving experience that few cars in its class can match. The Camaro 1LE has long been known as the package that transforms the already powerful Camaro into a precision tool, and in 2026, Chevrolet has sharpened it even further. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Camaro 1LE greets you with a bold, muscular stance that demands attention. The updated front fascia features a wider grille, aggressive air intakes, and sharper LED headlights that give it a meaner, more aerodynamic look. The hood comes sculpted with functional vents, reducing heat while enhancing performance. Side profile lines remain athletic, with flared fenders housing massive wheels that hint at its track-ready suspension. The 1LE package adds blacked-out elements, a rear spoiler, and a more pronounced diffuser for improved aerodynamics. At the rear, you'll notice quad exhaust tips integrated into a sleek bumper design and new LED taillights that bring modern flair to the classic Camaro silhouette. Every angle of the Camaro 1LE screams performance. And it's clear this machine was designed not only to look intimidating, but also to back it up with real-world capability. Moving inside, the 2026 Camaro 1LE continues to balance performance with a driver-focused cabin. The interior has been modernized with a cleaner, more premium layout, though it still feels like a cockpit built for speed. High-bolstered sports seats finished in Alcantara and leather provide excellent support during hard cornering while maintaining comfort for longer drives. The flat-bottom steering wheel, trimmed in suede, gives you a tactile grip, while paddle shifters and performance controls are easily accessible. Chevrolet has also included updated digital displays with a customizable gauge cluster and an advanced infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Though the Camaro has never been known for its rear seat space, the 1LE is about the driving experience, and in this regard, the interior complements the car perfectly, focused, sporty, and functional. Now, let's talk about performance, which is where the 1LE badge truly shines. Under the hood, the 2026 Camaro 1LE comes equipped with a naturally aspirated 6.2-litre V8 engine, producing an exhilarating 490 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a lightning-quick 10-speed automatic. Chevrolet has fine-tuned the suspension for maximum grip, incorporating magnetic ride control, stiffer springs, and performance-oriented dampers. The Brembo brakes are massive, providing incredible stopping power, while the track-oriented tires ensure that this car sticks to the asphalt with confidence. 0 to 60 is expected to be around 3.8 seconds, putting it squarely in competition with the Ford Mustang GT and Dodge Challenger SRT. The Camaro 1LE isn't just about straight-line speed. It's about agility, cornering precision, and making the driver feel connected to the road. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Camaro 1LE offers impressive value in the performance car market. Starting at around $55,000, it positions itself as an affordable yet highly capable track machine, significantly undercutting some European rivals while still delivering thrills that rival cars twice its price. Add in Chevrolet's reputation for building durable performance vehicles, and the Camaro 1LE becomes a very compelling package for enthusiasts who want everyday usability combined with serious track potential. In summary, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro 1LE is more than just a muscle car. It's a precision performance machine built for drivers who demand more than raw horsepower. With its aggressive exterior styling, performance-focused interior, competitive price point, and exhilarating driving dynamics, the Camaro 1LE continues to carry the Camaro name with pride into the modern era. It's a car that balances heritage with innovation, and it proves once again why the Camaro has remained a cornerstone of American performance. This is Dream Autos, and the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro 1LE shows us that muscle car legends are far from over.